Today we are learning what is the present tense and where we are used. When do we use? We use present simple tense. Habits, daily routines, facts, and general truth. Okay, now habits. The actions that happen regularly, like I am drink coffee every morning. Same as he smokes as with he. Okay, he smokes every day. That's the routine. Sorry, that's the habit. That's all. My brother always forgot his keys. Same as for the facts, like the sun rise in the east. Birds fly. That's the fact. Fish swim. Swim. Same as daily routine. I go the office every day. She lives as with she. For work at 9 a.m. We have lunch at 1 p.m.